This video is intended to assist friends using Zoom to participate in Ohio Yearly Meeting sessions. Ohio Yearly Meeting uses a technology called OWL to improve the Zoom experience. We have found some Zoom settings particularly helpful with OWL. With the use of OWL, the Stillwater Meetinghouse and all its occupants become one participant in a Zoom meeting. There is a technique known as pinning that will allow one to highlight a particular participant. This video will show you how to pin the Stillwater Meetinghouse and make it the primary view on Zoom. Please note that this video will only describe how to work with a computer and not a smartphone. It was recorded on a Windows computer. Apple computers can sometimes be subtly different. Before we start talking about pinning a participant, it is useful to recognize the difference between a gallery and speaker view. When a Zoom meeting starts, you will typically see a number of windows on the screen, each representing a different Zoom participant, and each being the same size. That is the gallery view. If we were to be on speaker view, the window of the participant who is speaking would dominate the screen. Here we see a Zoom meeting at Stillwater Meetinghouse using the gallery view. In the upper right-hand corner, we find a button that allows us to change between gallery and speaker view. You can see that the gallery view is checked, and we will leave this in the gallery view. If we look around the screen, we find a participant called Friends at Stillwater. That is the OWL view of the Stillwater Meetinghouse. If we move our cursor over that window, a blue button with 3 dots appears. If we highlight that button, we can click on Pin and pin the OWL view. In the OWL view, we see an icon that reminds us that this is OWL. Across the top of OWL, we see a 360-degree view of the Meetinghouse. The larger part of the OWL view will automatically change and display anyone who happens to be speaking. In the upper left-hand corner, we find a button that allows us to unpin the OWL view. But note, unpinning does not return to gallery view, and so the OWL view will usually remain dominating the screen. To return to gallery view, use the button in the upper right-hand corner as we discussed before. We hope this short video was clear and will assist in participating in Ohio Yearly Meeting sessions online. If there are any questions, don't hesitate to ask anyone on the OYM Technical Support Committee. Their names and numbers are available on the yearly meeting agenda.